You cleared your entire schedule for WWDC 2026 expecting the M5 Mac Mini to finally drop, but Apple gave us absolutely nothing. Just a bunch of Siri upgrades, a mountain of AI buzzwords, and 0 new desktops. It honestly felt like a totally out-of-touch prank. For months, all the top leakers promised this thing was coming before summer, then they all just went completely quiet. To make things even crazier, schematics for the M6 chip randomly started floating around online, making everyone panic that Apple was just tossing the M5 straight in the trash. But the M5 is definitely not dead. The hardware is totally fine. It is just trapped in the middle of a massive factory nightmare and a totally accidental tech revolution. To figure out why your dream desk setup is delayed, we have to look at Taiwan, specifically TSMC, the factory that actually prints Apple's chips. Right now, every giant tech company on the planet is throwing mountains of cash at TSMC to build their giant AI servers. Because of this, normal consumer stuff like our Mac Minis is being shoved straight to the back of the line. The factories are completely maxed out, but everyone still wants more. And because TSMC basically owns the entire market for high-end chips, they just casually raised their prices by 15% for the rest of the year. Even Apple, with all their infinite money, is feeling the pinch. But the processor is only half of this disaster. The whole industry is crashing headfirst into what hardware nerds are literally calling RAMageddon. Every tech giant is trying to build the next big AI brain, and they have completely drained the world's supply of fast computer memory. In just a few months, RAM prices have doubled. This is a massive headache for Apple because they use a special unified memory setup, meaning the RAM is permanently baked right next to the processor. They cannot just swap in cheaper parts, which leaves them super exposed to these random price spikes. Memory is now eating up almost a quarter of the budget to build a basic Mac, which is why Apple actually sneakily raised prices on their older stuff back on June 25 just to survive. High factory costs are not why the M5 got delayed, though. The real reason is a totally unexpected shockwave that completely wiped out Apple's leftover stock. Believe it or not, that little silver M4 Mac Mini accidentally became the most hoarded gadget in the world, and it is all because of how nerds are suddenly using AI. Back in April, the company behind those Claude AI models cut off cheap access for developers running heavy automated tasks. Overnight, independent programmers were staring down thousands of dollars in cloud bills just to keep their projects alive. So, they all panicked and pivoted. They realized they could run free open-source AI models right on their own local desks. Here is the catch. Running massive AI models on your desk usually requires a giant Windows PC with multiple graphics cards that cost a fortune and sound like a jet engine. But these coders figured out an insane loophole called Apple's unified memory. Because a Mac's RAM and chip share a super-fast highway, a cheap Mac Mini with a RAM upgrade can load giant AI models instantly while sipping almost zero electricity from the wall. Then NVIDIA poured gasoline on the fire. They released a tool called Nemo Guardrails, making it stupidly easy for massive corporations to run private AI networks safely inside their own offices. Once that happened, Fortune 500 companies started buying up high-RAM Mac Minis by the thousands. They started stacking them up in racks to use as cheap AI servers. By mid-April, the high-end M4 Mac Minis were completely sold out everywhere, leaving regular buyers stuck in an insane 18-week waiting line. So, put yourself in Apple's shoes at WWDC. They could not exactly stand on stage and announce a shiny new M5 Mac Mini when tens of thousands of angry customers were still waiting 4 months for the M4 they already paid for. It would have been a public relations disaster. People would demand refunds, giant corporate buyers would riot, and the supply chain would just melt down. So, Apple locked the M5 away, slapped on a smile, and talked about software instead. But the wait might actually be worth it. When the M5 Mini finally arrives, the inside is getting a massive overhaul. Do not expect a redesign on the outside. They just shrunk the metal box last time, so that tiny square footprint is definitely staying. But the silicon is a whole different beast. The M5 features a totally reworked architecture, packing dedicated neural engines right inside the graphics cores. These are custom-built to just obliterate heavy AI tasks. Leaks are pointing to a massive 4x speed boost for AI compared to what is out right now. Even better, Apple is finally putting the ancient 256GB base model in the grave. The new starting point is supposedly 512GB of storage alongside 16 gigs of RAM, making the cheapest model actually usable right out of the box. Of course, with TSMC raising prices and RAMageddon ruining everything, you will have to pay for those upgrades. Rumors say the starting price is going up by about $100, meaning the base M5 will probably start around $799. If the factory leaks hold up, it is dropping soon, most likely October or November of 2026. My honest opinion is that you should absolutely hold the line and wait for the M5. Getting double the base storage and a massive 4x boost in AI architecture completely justifies the extra $100, especially since buying an M4 right now means fighting giant corporations just to get stuck in a massive backorder line. The M5 is coming, it just had to survive a global chip war and a bunch of coders hoarding Apple hardware. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments.